Hello guys, today we have review on Panasonic V760 Full HD Camcorder. This video camera recorder is suitable for both beginners and more advanced users who appreciate a small footprint and good build quality. With 20 optical zoom and 29.5mm EGF, the camera covers the focal length range from wide angle to telephoto. To obtain a smooth image when shooting handheld, the camera uses a proprietary 5-axis hybrid stabilization system HIBRID-O.I.S+. The camcorder allows you to record slow motion video in Full HD at 120 fps, which can be interpolated up to 240 fps. The footage can be viewed on 3-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of pixels. The V760 allows you to take photos at a maximum resolution of 4736 on 2664 pixels. This is the possibility of taking a photo while recording a video. HDR mode. By combining two images shoot at different exposure times, HDR mode produces high dynamic range video, while relating detail in shadows and highlights. This mode prefers shading when shooting in difficult lighting conditions such as backfill scenes, creative filters and features. The camera has built-in creative filters such as thumbnail, 8mm film, silent move, as well as the ability to record time-lapse. Hybrid OIS stabilization system. Built-in 5-axis hybrid stabilization system, rotation, vertical and horizontal. Hybrid OIS effectively couples with image shake when shooting handheld. The levels of stabilization can be adjusted to suit your needs, or when shooting with tripod, normal level for normal handheld shooting, a stronger level in condition of source shaking. Multi-function sitting dial. The following camera function can be controlled using by sitting dial: focus, when white balance, shutter speed, aperture, shapes, color saturation, brightness. Advantages: work from an entirely powerful simply manual, white balance, exposure, focus, microphone input, headphone output, and 50 fps. Disadvantages: screen sensor, screen touch, screen sensor. Work great from an existing 5V battery, so all the most about expensive batteries are irrelevant. Put a bank in your pocket, a card in the camera key, and shoot until your hand falls off. The ability to connect an external direction microphone allows you to write good sound at all sorts of noisy events. Headphone output even when recording a relator for future result. It is possible to insert filters blends for those who need a wide angle. Buy an adapter ring 49 or 52. Screw it tightly and install filters. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.